In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of all devices on PayPal using the updated 2025 interface. Whether you've lost a device, suspect unauthorized access, or want to start fresh, logging out from all devices is an essential security step. Let's go through this step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official PayPal website. Once on the homepage, click the login button at the top right corner. Enter your registered email and password carefully, ensuring all details are correct. After that, click login to access your PayPal dashboard, which is a central hub for all account activity. Once logged in, click your profile icon at the top right corner. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Profile and Settings to access all your account management features. In this section, navigate to Security. Here, you will find options related to account protection, including device and session management. Scroll down to the section labeled Manage Your Logins. Click on it to see a full list of all devices currently logged into your PayPal account. This provides a clear overview of where your account is active. To log out of all devices, locate the Log Out of All Devices button or the Remove button individually and click it. PayPal will prompt you to confirm your choice, ensuring that the action is intentional. Once confirmed, all sessions across all devices will be terminated. You will need to log in again on any device you wish to continue using. This action ensures no unauthorized access, remains active, and adds a strong layer of account security. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of all devices on PayPal using the 2025 interface. Checking and managing active sessions regularly is a great habit to protect your personal and financial information. Following these steps keeps your account secure and ensures only you can access it. Thanks for watching, and for more 2025 PayPal tutorials and security tips, stay tuned for upcoming videos. Stay safe and happy PayPaling.